By the end of this lesson, you will learn how you can create these cushion in Blender 5 and also how you can properly UV map these. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, welcome to the lesson. First thing first, I am using Blender version 5 and I will also upload the project on my Patreon page so you can download the project from my Patreon page. Next thing, you can create, just go to file and create a new project. And after creating the project, just select the cube and camera and press delete to delete it. Now, next thing, what we are going to do, press Shift A and add a plane. And from here, you can just select the plane and press S to scale it, just like this. Now, next thing, what we are going to do, just create another plane and now press G then Z to bring it upward, just like this. Next thing, just go to this plane and press tab to go in edit mode. Press right and subdivide this, and from here just select the number of cuts to I think 30. That is okay. Now next thing, what we are going to do, press E then Z to extrude it in Z direction. Press Z, just like this. Now press Ctrl R to add a loop cut, and to place it in center press escape. Perfect. Now next thing, what we are going to do, just we want to make this plane as a cloth. So for this, go to the physics tab and just click the cloth. So here you can see our just cloth is created. If I press tab, and from here you can just select the cloth, and from here if I click here, you can see the cloth presets. You can select the cotton, denim, leather. For this project we are just selecting the silk, so just click on silk. You can see the settings will be changed here. If I just select silk, so here you can see. Now if I go to the bottom, and from here all the way, just select the pressure and just change the pressure to 5. And now if I press play, here you can see our cushion is created. But if you notice one thing, our cushion is not colliding with this our plane. So first thing that I want to do, just go to the modifier and just add a subdivision modifier of level 2. Perfect. If I just go to frame 1, and next thing, just press R then Y to 90 80 degree. Now just select the plane, and from here just go to the physics tab and add a occlusion. Now if I press play, you can see our cushion is created. Now from here, if I just go to the, just bring to the this cushion to here, just like this, just like this, just like this. Now if select the cushion, press tab, and from here, if you notice, if we go to the just edit mode, and from here if I press S to scale it, and now if I go to the just press tab edit mode, you can see our cloth is distorted. Now just go to the tab and edit mode, and from here press Ctrl Z to just go to the back. Perfect. Now press tab, go to the edit mode, and from here you can just perfect. Now next thing, what we are going to do, we want to add the material. So for this, just go to the shader editor and from here change to the word, and from here you can just select these, and from here make sure you have to just add a shift A and search for hue saturation and just connect it to this one, and from here you can just search for the shift A environment texture. Now we want to add HDR, so you can download the HDR lightning from Polyheaven and any other website, polygon.coms. You can also download from there. So just click on HDR and from here you can search for the art, and you can download any one of these, Art Studio or Art Workshop. After downloading this one, you can just also go to the assets and textures, and from texture you can download the fabric texture, anyone. So I have downloaded this texture and this texture already, and you can also select on floor, so you can download this flow texture. After downloading all these, you can simply, if I just go to the my texture folder, so here you can see I have the HDR lightning and the textures. Now just bring the, select the open, and from here if I go to the my folder and the search for the texture and select the HDR light and just connect this one, and from here just select this one and press Ctrl T to add the node. So make sure your node wrangler add-on is on. If you search for the node wrangler, so make sure this add-on is on. Now just go to the, you can see in render mode, so you can see our lightning is just created. Now next thing, just switch to the object mode and make sure select the floor and create a new material and just bring the floor here and just attach it. Here you can see just, and press Ctrl T, and if you just scale these and increase its roughness to 1 and just make sure select the scale to 3, and if you want to rotate this one you can rotate. So if you want to rotate the, we have to take the best angle. So for this, first we have to create a camera. Here you can see we can adjust the angle. So how we can do this? For this, first we have to create a camera, Control Shift and Shift A, and just select the, from here you can just go to the camera, and from here make sure you have selected the camera. If you go to the view and go to the align view, you can see the Control Alt Numpad 0 to align the camera to the our subject. So for Control Alt and Num 0, and from here just go to the option and go to the view and select the camera view. Now here you can see where I move, you can see just like this. So from here you can just divide this section and press N to hide these, and from here you can adjust. So next we also just switch to the word section, and from here we can just rotate the Z value to set the camera, just like you can see, just like this. I think this angle is perfect, and from here we can also adjust the, just just the camera, just I think this here the camera angle is good. Now just turn this off, go to the view and just turn this off, and from here now you can change the value, just like adjust the value, and you can just zoom it. Perfect. Now next thing what we are going to do, just switch to the render mode and now select this one, switch to the object mode. Now create a new material, and from here we add just add a texture, just bring it here, and from here you can just connect this, increase the roughness to 0, sorry 1, and from here press Ctrl T. And if you notice, if I zoom it here, if I just increase its scale to the 3, just select, so here you can see. Now one thing that I want to show you, just if you notice here, the if I just select to the, my mouse is not actually working. Here here you can see our just here you can see our texture is not properly UV unwrap. So how we can correct this? For this press tab and go to the edit mode, and from here if you see our texture is not properly wrapped here, unwrapped here. How we can unwrap this? We can just press U and mark at seam. But before we are applying the mark seam, we have to just go to the object mode, and from if I go to the timeline, and I have to adjust the, just to go to the 29 frame, and make sure we have to just go to the down, and from here we have to make sure that our cloth modifier is applied. So you can, if you apply the cloth modifier, so our cushion is created. If I did not apply and press tab, you notice it will convert to the plane. So as we are going to create just animation, so first I will try to show you how you can create the other cushion. So for that you can simply just select this one and press shift D to make the duplicate, and from here you can go to the frame 1 and just go to the, so always go to the frame 1. Now if you want to change the texture of this one, and from here just go to the here and select this one, or if you want to change the texture of this or this, just select this one, and from here just create a new slot and just click on new material, and from here you can just bring the texture and just connect this one, and also just press shift D, and you notice if just and make the value 3, you notice our texture is not created. The reason is that the, if I just delete any one of these material, you will see just if go to slot 1, if I just delete the material, you notice the material on both objects are deleted. So press Ctrl Z, and if I just switch to the control slot 3, now press just delete this one and just bring the texture and just attach this one, and now this one. Now make sure select this object, press go to the tab and edit mode and press A to select whole. Now if I go to the slot, you can see an option and press assign and just go to the, so you notice our object is our the our color on our object is applied. Now if I just go to the timeline And from here, if I just press play, so you can notice the, so you can just select any one these and go to the object and origin to geometry and origin to geometry. Now we want to fix this issue, so just select this cushion and go to the modifier and just apply the modifier, and also just select this one and apply the modifier. Now here you can see that. Now if I just select this one, go to the object and set origin to the geometry, now we can adjust the this one. So for this, go to the shader editor, and from here you can just press tab, go to the edit mode, make sure this loop is selected, and press U and add mark seam. Now you can see our seam is created. Now press A to select all these vertices, and now press U and just select the unwrapped angle based. So here you can see now our texture is properly unwrapped on the cushion. Now also select this one, press tab, go to edit mode, and just press Control A, sorry, hold on Alt, I just switch to the, and just select this one and press U, then mark seam, and now press A to select all and press U, then angle, and here you can see. Now just press tab. So from here you can just see the, now you can just, from here you can just select an object, select origin to geometry, and from here you can just just now just go to the render, and from here just select the cycles, and from here you can just select the GPU, and also if you want to change other things you can just go to the, just go to the render, and from select the color management and select the filmic and just switch to medium or high contrast, and from here you can just click on render, so you can take the render. Obviously you can just you can uh, compose it, or also use any editing, image editing software where you can just edit this one. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe, and if you have any query, then you can ask me in comment. So see you in next lecture.